Now it's time to learn the easiest thing, is clear the data of a single item. So let's create a third function here after read the data. Let's create a function to remove data. And this is gonna be, let's name it remove data. And this is gonna be async function. And inside this async function, you're gonna just add the following. You can add try catch to be like the above here, try catch blocks. And inside the catch, you can add the error. I forgot to mention that you can add errors here inside this catch to show error or something. Okay, so inside try here, you can clear the data. For example, just add await async storage dot remove item and just pass the key here. You want to remove the total expenses. I mean this number here. You want to remove this data. Just add the key of it here like this. Now let's try to test this function. So let's add a button here with title remove data. And when we press on it, we're gonna remove the data. Now let's try to remove the data. Now, when I press this here, this number was removed from the local storage. And if you want to see, just reload the app. Look, it's returned to 0. Why? Because I removed the data. But if you increase it, for example, with 80 and reload, it's still 80. If you increase it to be 140 and reload, even the user close the app and open it again, he still can see this 140. But if he just remove the data from the local storage and close the app and open it again, look, our data is gone. So now you've learned how to remove data, how to get data, how to store data. And async storage is very useful and helpful in managing the local storage of the app. And we're gonna use it inside our e-commerce app to store the user data and the user language. I mean the user selected language of the app. Now, this source code is provided. Now the source code is provided in resources. Let's remove all this code. Let's remove all of it and return to our previous code, I mean the e-commerce app. Now let's use async storage with our app.